Hello everybody, this is your boy Brisbane01 and welcome back to another video. So, you might be wondering, what's this video all about? Basically, I've been getting comments lately about, well not lately, I've been getting comments, actually. I've been getting comments about, how to make sounds on my videos. So today I'm going to give you a tutorial of how to make sounds or sound effects on your videos. So here is my iMovie, and we are gonna go to, so you see this musical note? What I want you to do is, please click on it, and once you're done clicking on it, it'll give you all this option, and we're gonna go to sound effects, and once you're done clicking on it, it'll give you all the option sounds that you need. So, if I want to make, let's just say if I had a clock and I want to make a funny sound with it, I'll just click on it, it'll make the sound that I want. Okay, I'm going to click on right now. Oh, there you go. If you want to make a, I don't know, sound with your action figures, or make a sound with your Lego videos, or one of your comedy videos that you guys are working on, this will help you get the idea. So if you want to get this app, you have to get it on the iPad only. You just can't get it on a regular phone. You can't get it on like a Galaxy S. Like you can't get it on that. You have to get it on the iPad or iPhone only. So that's my advice if you don't have iMovie. So you kind of get the idea. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you have any suggestions, just, I don't know, just leave some comments down below. Don't be shy. I'll answer your questions immediately. If I don't get a chance to answer your questions, I'll try to answer them very, very soon, because I'm on a busy schedule, if you know what I'm saying. I'm working on a important Lego video. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.